Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change dollar to rupee in Udemy. So simply, in order to do this, first of all you have to log into your account, and after that when you log in to your account, here you can see this is the main interface of Udemy. So here the multiple courses available. So here you can see the price is available in dollars. So simply, here you can see that all the prices here in dollars. So now if you want to change the currency here, like you want to change the currency into dollar to rupee, so simply what you need to do, you have to go to the account settings, and simply here you can see that there is no option to change the dollar to rupee currency. So simply, just you cannot change currency into dollar to rupee in Udemy. So just when you open your account, simply the account price is in dollars, so it's unable to change the currency from dollar to rupee